When an OS claims to support everyone, you assume a unified experience. But beneath the surface, iOS 27 is fracturing into three separate paths. On paper, the news is excellent. Apple is not dropping a single iPhone generation this year, meaning the 2019 iPhone 11 and everything newer officially makes the cut. But simply appearing on that compatibility list no longer guarantees you receive the headline features advertised in the keynote. This chart shows the reality. The iOS 27 user base is actually split into three distinct hardware-dependent versions. A strict physical hardware limitation, not just a software toggle, created this divide. Modern AI features require a specific amount of physical memory to function. Older phones simply do not possess the RAM required to keep these models active. Because of this hidden fracture, you must identify your specific tier before deciding to buy a new phone or stick with your current one. The primary dividing line for this update is the 8 GB memory requirement. This matrix shows the requirements for Tier 2, which provides the rebuilt conversational Siri and the base Apple Intelligence Suite. It requires an A17 Pro class chip and 8 GB of RAM. Only a handful of current phones clear that hurdle: the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, and any model in the upcoming iPhone 16 or 17 lineups. That list reveals a major gap for owners of the base iPhone 15 and 15 Plus. Despite being less than 2 generations old, those base models are excluded because they shipped with 6 GB of memory instead of the required 8. Since this is a physical constraint, no software patch or workaround can bring Tier 2 features to those specific models. This RAM wall highlights the long-term cost of choosing base model iPhones over Pro models. The hardware you buy today dictates the software you can run tomorrow. At the top of the matrix sits Tier 1, the full flagship experience. These ultra-premium devices access a more powerful on-device AI model, enabling advanced dictation and expressive Siri voices. Even the standard iPhone 17 doesn't qualify for this top tier. It remains in Tier 2. At the opposite end, we have the vast majority of current users who fall into Tier 3. This tier includes every legacy device from the iPhone 11 up through the base iPhone 15. You get iOS 27, but the AI features are gone. However, Tier 3 receives a substantial performance boost. Apple is aiming for a 30% speed increase for app launches and significant UI refinements. By removing the heavy AI tasks, Tier 3 acts as a longevity patch that rescues older hardware from sluggish performance. The practical centerpiece for Tiers 1 and 2 is that conversational Siri rebuild. Its new intelligence is partly enabled by a back-end arrangement with Google's Gemini technology. But there is a significant geographical catch regarding where these features will actually work. Due to local regulatory constraints, the Siri AI overhaul will be unavailable in the European Union at launch. If you are outside the EU and considering the public beta to get these features early, be careful. Installing this beta on your daily driver phone is a significant risk. A known bug causes system data to swell until the phone runs out of space, preventing you from installing updates needed to fix it. Furthermore, the new Siri is currently behind a waitlist, even for those already running the beta. Risking your primary phone storage for a buggy beta provides almost zero immediate reward. This scorecard translates these hardware tiers into a clear upgrade strategy for September. For the holdout using an iPhone 11 through 14, there is no need to panic. The Tier 3 performance work will likely make your current phone feel faster than it does today. The AI seeker needs to be more strategic. You must target an iPhone 15 Pro or higher to clear that 8 GB memory requirement. Buying a refurbished 15 Pro is a better move than buying a brand new standard 15. As for the enthusiast, your best move is patience. Waiting for the official release around September 14th avoids the storage-breaking bugs found in the current builds. iOS 27 officially supports every phone from the last several years, but your hardware now dictates your software tier. From here on, shop for the RAM, not just the compatibility list.